Have you ever looked at your plants and wished they'd grow faster, stronger, and healthier? Well, here's a simple secret that most gardeners don't know, and it's sitting right in your kitchen. 1 spoon of black chickpea powder, also known as Chana, can completely transform your plant's growth. Black chickpeas are packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and natural plant proteins. Everything your soil needs for deep root growth, lush leaves, and stronger fruits and flowers. They also feed the good microorganisms in your soil, helping your garden stay alive and balanced. Here's how to make this powerful all-natural fertilizer. Take 1 tablespoon of black chickpea powder. If you only have whole chickpeas, just grind them into a fine powder. The finer, the better. Mix it in half a liter of warm water. Stir well and let it rest for about 2 hours so the nutrients can soak in. After that, strain the liquid through a fine cloth or sieve. Now you've got your concentrated plant booster. Dilute it with 1.5 liters of clean water to make 2 liters of ready-to-use fertilizer. Use it once a month, at planting time or during growth, to give your vegetables, flowers, and fruiting plants a real energy kick. Your tomatoes, peppers, onions, cucumbers, even your potted plants will absolutely love it. If you found this tip helpful, tell us in the comments where you're watching from, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple gardening wisdom every day. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.